Welcome class to this mathematical activities for grade 4. Now today we are going to look at the topic of place values. And one key question that we are going to answer is what is a place value of a digit in a number? Okay, so we are going to answer that key question, but before we go to that, let's first look at a chart that I've prepared. So this is a place value chart, and in a place value charts we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands. This one can go on, but for now we are stopping at tens of thousands. And basically what this means is numbers usually will start with ones, and as we move to the left we go to tens, okay? Then as we proceed we go to hundreds. So these are groups of, here we have groups of ones, groups of tens, groups of hundreds, and as you proceed you go to groups of thousands, and then you go to groups of 10,000s, okay, and so on. So that's basically what it means. You have groups of ones, groups of tens, groups of hundreds, groups of thousands, and then groups of 10,000s. Now let's take an example of a number 2063, and we are going to look at how we can represent it on a number chart, okay, a place value chart. So this one basically we start from the rightmost number digit and we put it in the ones, okay, like that. Then you go to the next one, which is 6. We put it there in the tens. We put 0 here, and then we put 2, okay, in the thousands. Now, if you were to visualize this number, then it will look something like this. We have 3 ones, and we have 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We don't have any hundreds, and then we have 2 thousands. 1, 2. Okay? So we have 2 thousands, 0 hundreds, 6 tens, and then we have 3 ones. Okay? So this number 2 represents 2 thousands. It means that in the whole of this number, there are actually 2 thousands, okay, which will give us 2,000. There are 0 hundreds, okay, then there are 6 tens, so tens are 6 of them. This will give us 60, and then there are 3 ones, okay, 3 times 1. This will give us 3. Okay, so in the entire number we have 2 thousands. 2 times 1,000, that's 2 thousands. We have 0 hundreds. We have 6 tens, which is 60, and then we have 3 ones. Okay. Now let's look at another number that we want to represent on the place value chart. We have the number 9709. Okay, so again, going as per the first example, we start from the rightmost and we go leftwards. So we put 9079. Okay, so that's how we represent that number in the place value chart. Now, you could have a bigger number. The two numbers that I've already shown are only up to thousands, but we might have another number that goes all the way to 10,000. So let's look at an example of such a number that will have up to 10,000. So we can have a number like 5, 6, 0, 8, 6. Okay? And to represent this number on the place value chart, we are going to put 6, 8, 0, 6, 5. So this basically means we have 6 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Then we have 8 tens. Okay? In short, we can just say there are 8 tens. So the tens are 8. We have 0 hundreds. The thousands are 6. Okay? So there are 6 thousands. And then the 10,000s are 5. Okay? 10,000s. Okay, so that's how you represent that number on the place value chart. Now, you should be able to do any number. You should be able to place any number in a place value chart using the examples that we've already given. Now, if you try to answer the question, what is a place value of a digit in a number? So, the place value basically means the value that number has based on its position. For example, this number 6 and this number 6, they are both 6, but they don't have the same value. Okay? The first 6, which is in ones, just means 6 ones. Okay? 6 ones. But the second 6, which is in the thousands, means 6 thousands. Okay? So it has a totally different value. So if we are to get the value of this, this will be 6,000, while the other one will have a value of just 6. So place value is basically the value that a number has based on its position, the value a digit has based on its position in a number. That's what a place value is. So I hope you go to your workbook, learner's workbook, and basically this is the first topic, and you can look at the exercises that are given there, page number 3. Okay, you're going to look at page number 3 and try to do that exercise B. Okay, try to do the work there, then we shall look at it next time we meet again. Bye for now.